The rabbits now are busy preparing so that like they can breed now. If you remember, a few months back I was posting these rabbits. They were still young, but now they're becoming mother. So if you check, this one is taking this grass here to form a nest to that side. After forming a nest, it will go to that stage where it will be removing its fur to make the nest warm. So just because they were the same age, even the ones this side they're babies. This one have babies. They are inside there. So they're usually just taking care of the babies when they are on the others on the side. They don't usually go inside there. You will only see them breastfeeding only for few seconds. They don't really breastfeed for more minutes. They just go there and then they're done. And even this one have babies and they are grown. The very good advantage with this breed is that they don't really die because of maybe temperatures. Mortality is very low with SA pendula rabbits. So yeah, if you check here, that side, that one is really preparing. I'm so sure within 2 days it might have been having babies. So I just put in this empty container, then they build a nest by themselves. If you check here, I normally have really many. I was selling for breeding. There were people who really bought them. So now I'm just left with only few. Because here are them. Here's our male. Here's our male. And then our females. We have more females. The plan is to sell for meat. I sell meat. So if you check with these rabbits, if they are, let's say 15, and they breed up to 10, usually I get 10 kittens. So it's usually from 5 to 10. So it means within 40 days, if I I then breed them, it means within 40 days I will be having babies. So rabbit farming is quite so simple. It's quite so simple. And here this side is working. Maybe because like there are not really many rabbit farmers, but to take care of this business is so simple. Because if you check here, we have automated water, and we have these things where we put food. So you usually take turns to check on them. You can check them on them in the morning, during the day, and at night, maybe before sunset. So it's so simple to run this business. Oh, and this side we have this water bottle. I just did like we're having some problems with our automated water. So yeah, it's so simple with this business. This grass is oats. We're feeding them oats, and we have banana grass outside which we planted, and we're even still selling sticks. So we sell banana grass sticks. Here's our female. This one is the oldest. If you check these rabbits, they are big. These ones, they are big. So I just wanted to do a video. Oh, and here these are two males. These are two males, and this one is our male. This one is our male. When they're old, it's so easy to differentiate them, but when they're still small, it's kind of like not really that simple. With sunlight, if you see here the sunlight, we have this net to block the direct sun, so I just opened so that like I can film well, because now it's almost 5 and it's winter, so the sun is about to set. So for me to record a clear video, I just open up those nets. So usually they are closed, but now they seem like they're enjoying the sun. So here are the rabbits. Here are the rabbits. They're quite big. This breed is quite big, and with meat you will never go wrong because they will be growing fast. I will do another video to show you the process of these babies. So just give me 2 weeks. I'll post another video to show you how they're growing. And we have our security dog guard there. So yeah, well, what I can tell you is that with this business is quite simple.